Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because that's where Apple centralizes billing. Open Settings and tap your name at the top to reach Apple ID controls. Once there, choose Subscriptions to list recurring charges, including Icloud Plus. You're doing this now so you can see the exact plan name, renewal date, and price before you cancel. This avoids surprises. Make sure you have your device passcode or Apple ID password handy, as Apple will ask for authentication to make subscription changes. Once you've opened the subscriptions list, tap the active iCloud Plus entry to open plan details where you can see renewal date, storage used, and price. Then choose Cancel Subscription or turn off automatic renewal. Apple sometimes uses different wording depending on region. Confirm the prompt to stop future billing. This keeps your data until the current paid period ends. If you're in a family sharing setup, make sure you're the organizer or coordinate with the organizer, because removing an organizer can affect all members' storage access. After confirming cancellation, verify the subscription screen shows the plan will expire at the end of the current billing period. Apple lets you keep access until then. Make sure to back up important photos, documents, and contacts locally because available storage may drop after the plan ends and could prevent new uploads. If billing doesn't stop, sign out and back into your Apple ID, update iOS, and double-check Family Organizer settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support to resolve payment or account errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.